May I come in?
Hey guys, what's up? How are you all doing? Welcome to the Nerd Fam, and in this video, before getting into the video, I wanted to ask you all a question. Do you think there will be a vaccine available for coronavirus in this year itself? Comment yes or no in comment box. If you want to know what's happening around you, consider subscribing my channel. Yeah, go down, hit the subscribe button. An article was published in the United States Journal which spoke about the G4 genotype of H1N1 swine flu virus. This was published on Monday. To understand this better, let us trace back to the past. In the year 2009, the world met with an swine flu pandemic. Since then, scientists all over the world started doing their research work on pigs and flus from pigs. Now coming back to the research paper, from the year 2011 till 2018, a group of scientists from China and some from Britain took about 30,000 nasal swabs of pigs from around 10 Chinese provinces. To someone who don't know what a nasal swab is, it is exactly same as what we take from human beings to test them for coronavirus. It said that about 179 swine flu viruses were found in those 30,000 nasal swabs. But this variety known as G4, which we are talking now, became dominant from the year 2016, and this was considered the most risky one. But why are we worrying about this G4 genotype of swine flu? The answer is that this G4 type is said to have some hallmark properties to name that type of virus to become a potential pandemic one. There are some three important reasons for us to say that this type of virus could become a worldwide pandemic one in future. The first reason is this virus, when it enters our body, it is said to attach to the receptors present in our respiratory tract. This means that this virus can easily enter into the cells of our body and affect our body. Also, it is found that these viruses can multiply rapidly in our respiratory tract. Researchers usually test this virus in ferret, and the response was studied that this virus can spread from one ferret to other ferret with respiratory droplets, same as how coronavirus spreads. Why do we study these kind of viruses with ferrets? The answer is that these ferrets behave similarly as humans. So the way they respond to some virus is exactly same as how humans respond to viruses. That is why we use ferrets to study viruses. The third and the most important point to consider it to become a pandemic is this virus is estimated in a population of about 10.4% of pig farmers. And when we take general population of China, this is said to be infected in about 4.4% of people. But the only convincing positive point about this virus is that there is no evidence of its spread from humans to humans. This virus have come from pigs to humans, but there is no such evidence where it is shown that this virus spreads from human to human. A scientist from University of Washington says that if this virus has to spread from human to human, this has to undergo a large evolutionary change, which may or may not be possible. He also adds that if this virus spreads from human to human, it is easy for us to find a vaccine for this. But the timing of finding when this virus spreads exactly is the major point of concern. In China, 2 people have tested positive for this virus. One person was tested positive in the year 2016 and other in the year 2019. One was 46 years old and other was 9 years old. These two were near a pig farm from which this virus is said to have come to them. The symptoms of this virus, as studied from ferrets, include coughing, sneezing, and wheezing problem, and a weight loss of about 7 to 9% of our total body weight. This is actually a point of time where we should not waste our time and spread awareness among people on how these diseases are actually going to spread and evolve around this globe in coming years. So I kindly request you all to share this video as much as possible. Meet you guys in next crispy video like this. Until then,